So I'm here at Muni's place to have my retie, and the washing has been done already, so we are yet to get into the retying process. She's a really lovely lady, so you should come to her for such things. So we're going to show you after. I'm sure you will see before in this video. So so we're still on it. So much work to do, but it's going on well. So far so good. We've done half parts. So I have undergrowth and about 2 inches. I lost my front grid, but she's trying to get it back for me. So hopefully by the end of the retie, I'll get my grid back, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks after. So stay tuned. So we are done finally. I've gotten my grids back, and Moni did a very good job, and I'm grateful. She's able to get my grid back. That was nice. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you come to her for your Sisterlocks or dreadlocks. Take care.